EMPREST is an Interreg Baltic Sea region project focused on tackling organic micropollutants, especially PFAS. We started in early 2023 and will continue until the end of 2025. But our work actually began back in late 2019. Then, two big topics were gaining momentum. First, EU Wastewater Treatment Directive was under review. We expected new technologies to be required to address organic micropollutants like pharmaceutical residues, similar to changes already happening in Switzerland. Second, attention was growing on PFAS, a group of pollutants found everywhere. We saw a connection. If PFAS are everywhere, they are likely in wastewater too. With the expected upgrades to the treatment plants, we wanted to test these new technologies for both pharmaceuticals and PFAS. Understanding the extent of PFAS pollution in our region and identifying its sources in a municipal setting were other key questions we wanted answers for. EMPREST allows us to work at the forefront of these issues, allowing our stakeholders to be ready to implement changes as soon as the new EU legislations are in place. In some areas, like PFAS monitoring and assessment, we've even been ahead of the EU updates. Our environmental assessments have long been based on just PFOS, only one of the PFAS identified as harmful to humans and the environment. Although this PFAS substance was already banned in 2009, the industries have replaced it with other PFAS compounds, which we now know can be just as dangerous. This means our current assessments do not capture the full picture, and EU is revising its monitoring and assessment guidelines to include more than just one PFAS compound in it. These updates have already been made for drinking water and groundwater, while changes for surface waters have not yet passed the legal framework. As part of the EMPREST project, we use these new EU proposals as background and work together with environmental ministries and agencies from all of the Baltic Sea countries, collecting the PFAS measurements they have made all around our area. Our complete findings suggest that if these new thresholds are adopted, 9 out of 10 fish analyzed from the Baltic Sea might already have unsafe PFAS levels. And although we had results from more than 60 different PFAS compounds, the main culprits of this pollution is only maybe 6 or 7 different PFAS. If you want to learn more from our Output 2.1 on PFAS monitoring and assessment, you can find it online on our project webpage. Together, we can make significant impact on our environment. Thank you for your support.